One world-class celebration to another, Bulgari recently celebrated their 125th anniversary. As you all know, Bulgari is a top-of-the-line Italian luxury label, which is known and appreciated by thousands across the world. And to celebrate their success, they chose to partner with a charitable initiative called Save the Children, Rewrite the Future. Worldwide, Bulgari is committed to promote and develop quality education for children across the world. Let's have a word with the regional director of Save the Children, who flew down from London just for this occasion.
Save the Children is an organization that established in 1919 and it works worldwide. And we have chosen to rewrite the future as a result of we discovered that 70 million children are out of school, but 40 million children are in countries affected by conflict. Those people are not enjoying their rights to education, and furthermore has been subjected to exploitation, abused by the context where they are living. We are really privileged that Bulgari, on their 125th anniversary, they thought about working on a noble cause. And we are fortunate that they have chosen the cause of education, and they have chosen the children affected by conflict. And Bulgari gave us that privilege for Save the Children, and we are great honored by that selection.
It's indeed true, the best way to celebrate your success is by giving something back to society. Bravo, Bulgari. We love your style. 125 years, and we wish you many, many years of success. That brings me to the letter which is addressed to our lifestyle guru. Anjum Khan from Abu Dhabi has written in to find out how best she can protect her skin from the harsh summer sun and the constant use of AC. Well, Anjum, as usual, at High Lab Dubai, we've got a solution for you. Let me suggest to you a wonderful cream from La Prairie called Cellular Cream Platinum Rare, which just might be the answer to your query.
Platinum is the most rare, most desired, and most expensive elements. So Platinum Cream of La Prairie is a product which is the most advanced product of the decade. This is the most effective cream that you could ever have. One, because it's enhanced and improved the skin electrical balance for more perfect hydration, protection, and receptivity to nutrients and vitamins, whatever you apply on your skin. And then the second thing, it has climate hydrated activator as a continuous hydration, whatever is the climate. And one more thing, it protects the DNA. Why do we say we protect the DNA? Because this is the most important thing that we need to protect, because once the DNA, because it also lies in aging. So we use a technology, a transportation technology in this product in order to carry our active ingredients. We call it the Crystal TM technology delivery system that we use here that carry the active ingredients in order to penetrate efficiently, 100% effectively to our skin in order to really protect our DNA where it's located in our cell nucleus. This is a master cream when it comes, or a master product when it comes to anti-aging skincare.
The cream can be applied every morning and night after cleansing and toning your skin and is available at all Arich outlets and is the most expensive cream in the world, valued at $1,000. Trust High Life Dubai to bring you nothing but the best. It's time now for a short break, but be back if you would like to win a state-of-the-art kitchen appliance worth 4,500 dirhams. So, see you in a bit. Coming up after the break, we are going to take a look at Palmonade Kitchen Boutique launch and then on to walk down memory lane with some classic Hollywood memorabilia.
Hi, this is Kareena Kapoor and keep watching High Life Dubai.